Hi, this is Param. Okay, in this video, obviously, what is in this playlist, we are seeing about what is the roll up, right? What is the purpose of roll up? Okay, of course, how to define the roll up jobs. Okay, what is output? Everything we have explained. What is the purpose of the different things we have explained. Though it is as of now it is a beta stage. That's also we have explained. Okay, but there are some limitations also there. Okay, why those limitations? Obviously, first thing is beta stage. Okay, that is in beta stage. Second thing is as of now they have not support all the aggregation or all the bucket aggregation or metric aggregations. Okay, these are things are not supported as of now. Okay, even in fact script you cannot use. Okay, if you want to do customize, if you want to do some custom script, okay, for the for your use case, then you cannot do, obviously. Okay, even that was my requirement. Okay, in my for one of my use case, I use a script for both aggregation and runtime mapping. In both I am using script. Okay, so if I are able to use the roll up by using the script, then I would have used it, right? So there are some limitations are there. Okay, so that is what I am going to explain here. Okay, so it's a search. Okay, only one roll up index can be put in the single request. This is about a search. Okay, and support metric aggregations. Obviously, min, max, sum, average, count. Okay, only even median not supported. Okay, only median is not supported. Okay, sorry, only these metrics aggregation are supported. And with respect to packet aggregations, you can use date histogram and temp. But one thing, date histogram must be there in every jobs. Date histogram must be there in every jobs. Okay, but remaining two histograms optional. Okay, but even this optional. Okay, only these three packet aggregation can be used. Then query. Okay, of course. Okay, we are writing query, right, for search. Okay, supported query in search. Supported query for search in rolled up index. Okay, okay. So term query you can use, terms query you can use, but fortunately compound query can be used. So obviously we mostly use boolean compound query, but there are some other common query also, right? Constant score, something also there, right? Constant score, function score, I think there is something or some other things also there. Okay, so we can use any of the compound query. That is very good things. Okay, then leaf level query, terms used, range used, match all used, not even match. Okay, match all, range, terms. Okay, so these are the query. What happened? Okay, so these are the query you can use while searching from the rolled up index. So let me put it here. Let me move to there. Okay. Okay, these are all about the searching. Let me both sides, just for fun, nothing. Okay. Okay, so these are the limitations. Obviously, these limitation may be reduced. Instead of saying increase, it may be reduced because of they are working on that. Okay, so in the down the line they will introduce many features for rolling up job as well as searching on the rolled up index. Okay, in both case they may introduce new features, or they may enable other features of Elasticsearch. They may enable other features of Elasticsearch. Okay, let's see. Okay, so obviously even 8 is about to come. Okay, down the line they will introduce other features, or they will enable new features. Okay, that is what about the roll up limitations. I think this is my last video about the roll up. Okay, maybe in the next video I will create one demo. Okay, one demo or POC. Okay, so that you will see how the things are getting rolled out, how the data are stored in a rolled out index. Okay, so you can see that in that POC or demo. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.